In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply from Alias Proton Mail. If you want to keep your primary address private or separate different projects, replying from an alias in Proton Mail is a great way to do it. Let's set one up and use it in a reply, start to finish. First, sign into Proton Mail in your browser. At the top, click the toggle-shaped settings icon to open Quick Settings, then choose All Settings so you're in the full settings view. In the left sidebar, open Identity and Addresses. This is where all of your sending identities live. Click Add Proton Address to create a new alias. In the address field, type the alias you want to use. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to the purpose. In Display Name, enter the name you want recipients to see next to the address. This can be your name, a team label, or a project name, whatever fits how you plan to use the alias. When you're happy with it, click Save Address. If you already have the alias you need, you can skip the save and move on. Now, return to your inbox and locate the conversation you want to answer from the alias. Open the message and click the reply icon to start your response. In the composer, look for the From field at the top. Click it to open the list of available identities and select the alias you created. You'll see the From field update immediately. That's the address your recipient will see on this reply, keeping your main address out of view. Finish writing your message as usual. Before sending, take a second to confirm the correct alias and display name are selected, especially if you manage multiple identities. And that's it. You created an alias, then used it to reply directly from your inbox in Proton Mail. Repeat this process anytime you need to respond from a different identity while staying organized and protecting your privacy.